Today was the TCS NQT code exam, and so in this video I am going to discuss exact questions which are come in TCS exam, and I will explain you different approaches to solving these problems step by step. And I am also creating a playlist where I shall cover various TCS NQT coding questions which are previous year questions, and some are similar to TCS NQT question. If you not see their playlist, I provide the link of playlist in the description, so please go and see all video related to TCS NQT coding exam. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started. So our first problem is like that: write a program date process a given string to determine the following. The first non-repeating character in the string, okay, if it is exists, the most repeated character in the string, if multiple characters have the same highest frequency, print, okay, the first non-repeating character first if available. Okay, if any first non-repeating element means it character is repeated only once, okay, then print the most repeated character. So this is the output format, these two lines. If the input string is input, then we print in value. So for output we have three conditions: the first non-repeating character if available, and second if, then print the most repeated character, okay, and if the input string is empty, then print invalid input. And if all characters in the string are repeating, it means that if all characters are available more than one time, then print none. Okay, for example, they give this string SWI double S MI double S I double S I double PI, then they printed most repeated character S and first non-repeating character W. Okay, so first I explain the logic. First I go to our digital board and explain the logic how to solve this problem. After that, code this problem. Okay, so first off, so we go our digital board and explain the logic how to solve this problem. Okay, so in our digital board we explain the logic like, okay, so we have a string, what we have a string like this is our string. Okay, now we find the most repeated element and list a element which is non-repeated, and if all elements are repeated in same frequency, then print null. Okay, if we create a hash map, okay, if we created a hash map, because problems related to frequency can be solved easily by map. Okay, so we created a hash map, okay, and store the frequency of each character. Like first we store the frequency of each first character S is first time, then we store frequency 1. After that we get element W, okay, then we store the frequency of W 1, okay, the frequency of W is 1. After that we get I, then we store frequency of I, okay, the frequency of I is now 1. Okay, after that we again get yes, then we update the frequency of S 2. After that we again get S, then we update the frequency of S is 3. After that we get M is new character, so we put also frequency is 1. Okay, after that I is present in S map, so we increase the frequency of I is 2. After that we get again S, so increase the frequency of S is 4. After that again we get S, okay, then we increase the frequency of S is equal to 5. After that we get I, so increase the frequency of I equal to 3. Okay, after that we again get 6 S, okay, so we increase the frequency of S 6. Okay, after that we again get S, so increase the frequency of S, so now frequency of S is 7. And after that we get I, so we increase the frequency of I is 4. Okay, after that we get P, so P is a new element, okay, P is a new element, then we put insert in hash map and create frequency 1. Again we get P, so increase the frequency by 2. Okay, and after that we get I, so increase the frequency of I. Okay, now we can see easily, if we traverse using frequency, then we get highest frequency of s, then we print s. Okay, and we see that the first character whose frequency is not repeated is w, then we print w. Okay, or this is our output. Okay, so this is the approach for solving this problem, and I hope you understand this logic of this problem. So now write code for this problem. This is exact question which is asked in today TCS NQT exam, and I make playlist, this playlist very helpful for you. So make sure for giving your TCS NQT exam, please see this whole playlist. Okay, so now write our code class, after that file name, exact coming question. So this is the file name, so I created class, after that public static void main string args. Okay, after that we need to input of the string. After that we need to input the string. For input we create scanner class, for inputting we create scanner class. So scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, import java dot util dot stack. Okay, after that we give message as out enter the string. Okay, and then string str equal to sc dot next. Okay, so we input the string. After that, okay, take next line. Okay, after that we check first condition. If string यानी कि str is empty. Okay, is empty. In this condition we need to print what? If the input string is empty, print invalid input. Okay, so we print invalid input. Okay, and return from here. Okay, this is the simple. Okay, after that we create a map. So for creating a map and take first value is character, and for storing frequency we take integer. Character comma integer. Okay, after that creating the name of, okay, so like frequency map, QUNCY frequency map. Okay, after that new has map simply. Okay, after that we need to traverse input string, so we take a for loop for and care ch and apply on string. So we input str dot to character array, we convert string to character array. Okay, after that we simply put in map for frequency map dot put is the method. Okay, after that first we put character. Okay, after that we count the frequency, so we give frequency map and dot get or default. Okay, and give 0, and second value is, first value is character for checking, and second value is 0, otherwise +1. Okay, it means that if character is first time occurring, then we put the value 1, okay, of character. After that we take two variable for highest frequency and for lowest frequency. Okay, for highest frequency or for lowest frequency. So we first create int max frequency Okay, first we create two character highest frequency equal to for taking in character we simply take null character. Okay, we simply take null character. Okay, after that we create for lowest, so we create lowest frequency, LOWEST, lowest frequency. Okay, lowest frequency is also null character. Okay, after that simply take two variable int highest frequency equal to 0, comma lowest frequency is also 0. Okay, these two variables take for frequency. After that we take a variable for unique character. Okay, so boolean unique equal to false. Okay, after that we again traverse using loop for and map.entry and in entry we provide character because first element is character and second is integer. Okay, integer, and after that we give entry, take a variable entry. Okay, after that traverse on frequency map dot entry set. Okay, frequency map dot entry set. Okay, after that we simply check int frequency. Okay, first we take the int frequency of first we find frequency, so we use entry dot get value. Okay, entry dot get value. For this function we get the frequency of element. After that if we found frequency equal to 1 in this condition it means that unique element is found, so we update unique equal to true. Okay, so first condition is handled. After that if frequency is greater than max frequency, highest frequency, okay, then we update highest frequency equal to frequency, highest equal to frequency. Okay, and also highest frequency of character, highest frequency of character equal to what, entry dot get key. Using this we get the character whose frequency is highest. Okay, after that we check for min frequency. So if frequency is less than min frequency and lowest frequency, or we can set it lowest, then we get min frequency a lowest frequency equal to frequency. Okay, and lowest FRQ frequency equal to entry dot get key. This is the simple. Okay, after that we check if unique element found. Okay, if unique element not found, then we print simply null, shout null. Okay, if unique element is not found, otherwise we print frequency of lowest and highest as out, and give simple message highest frequency character, and also print character. So for printing character give highest frequency. Okay, and also give message appear what time, we give message highest. Okay, so this is the way. And after that we create for lowest, so we change here lowest, LOWEST, lowest frequency character. Here give message lowest, lowest, frequency, and here give lowest. Okay, so this is the basically approach. Using this approach we simply solve this problem. Okay, here we give integer dot max value, because um, because the in lowest frequency we need to give highest so that we can update it. Okay, after that we simply run this program and find the output. So we can first compile Java C, and after that file name is exact coming question. After that we run Java, where is giving error in line number 15, which error is coming. Okay, why this import, comment this. Now again we compile, so our program is compiled. After that run exact okay Java. Now enter our string. So our string input is SWI double S. So we input this string SWI double S MI double S I double S I double PI. Okay, and our output is highest frequency is 7 and the lowest frequency of W is 1, and our output is also like that. If we output is space, then we get invalid input. Okay, then we get invalid input. Okay, so this is the basically approach. I think you understand the problem. If you understand this problem, please like, share and subscribe this video. Okay, after that now I am going to discuss second problem of today. Okay, second problem of today, which is similar to many questions asked in